Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's like that.
5 kills in a round? Are you kidding me?
No, I'm not.
I know, but this is
Not kidding.
annoying.
Well, you'll figure it out.
I mean, yeah, but that's 5 kills with a knife in 1 round.
Yikes.
Yeah, it's difficult.
Killing's bad, okay?
Huh?
Killing's bad, okay? Lovely wind chimes there. Oh, the warm sunshine. It's chillier out here than I thought it would be. I was hoping for some good sunshine. And good warmth along with it. Sure, make myself blind. Don't mind me. I'm just getting set up here. Am I right? Am I right? I don't like this angle. What is up, everybody? Just checking in. Been a while. Working on some new stuff. Trying not to blind everybody, but I am blinding. Filming outside has its challenges. Anyway, just checking in. Lots of stuff going on lately. Lots of struggles. Lots of different challenges. Have a new idea that I'm working on in the background. Hopefully that can really come out and help out this channel. It's going to be totally separate, totally different idea. Hopefully that'll provide some of the financial support for this because this is very meaningful to me, you guys, and the community we're building here and the things we talk about, so let's keep that going. Is this too bright? Probably look angry. I'm not trying to. It's the sunshine. We're not going to do that. As soon as this thing turns on, I forget everything I was going to say. Hopefully that doesn't happen to you guys when you're waiting for that person to walk by so you can record without feeling so self-conscious. So just some truths. Been having a really hard time lately with content, getting things that I have in my head out to you guys. It's very difficult to think about the idea, formulate it, and present it in the proper way that you have outlined in your head, and then have that still make an impact for you. And this is something I'm trying to grow, so not seeing the traction from things yet, so I'm spending a lot more time contemplating instead of taking action. So that's a little bit of a lesson for me and you guys to just get out there and do stuff and not overthink it. Testing. Trying to keep myself in frame without being blinded or too washed out. This isn't good. That's probably better. Jeez Louise. Well, anyway.
Am I right?